Meet Jackpot, a Jersey bull with a legacy of high performance and superior quality. Jackpot comes from an impressive lineage. His parents have an average milk yield of 9,557 kilos. His dam's milk yield is an impressive 7,606 kilos. Jackpot boasts an elite sire family background, LOU, headline, IMPULS. His maternal bloodline includes the likes of VOLCANO, PARAMOUNT, ABE. His Maternal Grand Dam was adjudged third in the prestigious breed championship in PDFA. His sire's dam has a high milk yield of 11,8 and his sire's daughter yield is 9,829, with half siblings milking in the U.S. Jackpot, the U.S. Jersey, is truly a testament to the power of selective breeding and the future of dairy farming.